Master the primary exit profile performance task exam with ease. The secret lies in the power of preparation. The primary exit profile performance task exam, a significant milestone, has been a source of anxiety for many. The challenges vary from understanding the complex exam structure to deciphering the grading system. However, the good news is, with adequate preparation, these obstacles can be overcome. Preparation is not merely about memorizing facts or understanding concepts. It involves a comprehensive understanding of the exam's structure and the grading system. It's about knowing what to expect and how to tackle it. It's about identifying your strengths and weaknesses and strategizing accordingly. This process may seem daunting, but remember, every challenge presents an opportunity for growth. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can transform this seemingly insurmountable task into a manageable one. Arming yourself with the right knowledge and strategies is the first step towards acing the primary exit profile performance task exam. But what exactly is the primary exit profile performance task exam, you might ask? Well, let's dive right into it. The performance task exam is a key part of the Grade 6 primary exit profile assessment, designed to evaluate students' abilities in critical thinking, creativity, and their practical application of knowledge. Students are tested in two main areas, mathematics and language arts, with a focus on real-world scenarios that require problem-solving skills. In this video, we will look at the Language Arts Primary Exit Profile Performance Task Exam. The exam consists of two sections. The first segment tests the student's comprehension of the given sources and how to synthesize information from these sources. The second section requires students to use their skills in writing to write an essay. But don't be daunted. Understanding this structure can help you devise an effective preparation strategy. Remember, the performance task exam isn't just about rote learning. It's about applying what you've learned in a practical context. It's about showcasing your critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. A clear understanding of the exam is your foundation for success. So how should you prepare for the Language Arts Performance Task Exam? Well, it all starts with a plan. First, practice and improve on some basic language skills such as spelling, punctuation, capitalization, and grammar. Next, learn and develop your paragraph writing skills, improving on writing a good topic sentence, meaningful supporting details, and effective concluding sentence. Practice writing different types of essays such as expository, persuasive, descriptive, and narrative essays. Know the structure of an essay and what to write where. Writing a good introductory body and concluding paragraphs are essential to completing and mastering this component. Additionally, examine writing prompts to identify keywords and phrase, which tells you what to do and how to do it. Use these along with graphic organizers to plan for your writing. Use the writing process to practice your essay writing skills until you get better at it each time. Equally important, learn how to use the given sources to answer the question in the prompt. Your goal is to write to respond to the prompt, showcasing your engaging writing skills. Remember, the key to mastering the exam is consistent and effective preparation. And what about the big day itself? Well, let's dive into some essential tips. Firstly, ensure a good night's sleep. Your brain needs rest to function at its best. Think of it as charging your intellectual battery. Next, kickstart your day with a healthy breakfast. Remember, your body needs fuel to keep up with the mental marathon that awaits. Arriving early at the exam center is crucial. It gives you time to settle in, familiarize yourself with the surroundings, and ease any last-minute jitters. Once the exam starts, managing your time effectively is key. Read through the questions carefully, plan your answers, and keep an eye on the clock. Try not to rush, but also avoid lingering too long on a single question. Above all, maintain a calm and focused mind. Stress and panic can cloud your judgment and hinder your performance. Remember, your performance on the exam day is a reflection of your preparation. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. We kicked off with the crucial role of preparation. Investing time and effort into understanding the exam format and requirements is not an option. It's a necessity. We then dove into the nitty-gritty of the primary exit profile performance task exam. Remember, knowing what to expect drastically reduces the anxiety and sets you up for success. Next, we discussed effective study strategies. Tailoring a study plan that suits your learning style, taking regular breaks, and revising consistently can make a world of difference. Lastly, we covered some invaluable exam day tips. Staying calm, reading questions carefully, and time management are your best allies on the big day. Remember, this journey is not just about passing an exam, it's about learning, growing, and expanding your horizons. With the right preparation and mindset, you are capable of acing the PEP performance task exam. Believe in yourself and give it your best shot. Let us know how the preparation for this exam is going for you, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.